folks? It's Russ. Today is Saturday, March 9th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a brand new company that is getting ready to launch in early April. It's called MAP, Master Affiliate Profits. And this is a program that was created by John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda Martin. Now, John Thornhill is a huge ClickBank promoter. I think he's a platinum ranked member of ClickBank. He's earned millions and millions of dollars over the years. And then he's had his own programs where he's helped, I believe, over 3,000 people collectively earn over $23 million. So he's a huge marketer. And then Omar and Melinda are huge marketers over on JV Zoo, and they've earned millions and millions of dollars as well. So this is something that they put together, and what it is, it's an ecosystem for affiliate marketers, okay? And you can see right here, it says, embark on the MAP revolution. This is your shot at ground floor access. So you can click on the link down below this, all right, or go to joinruss.com. You'll be taken over to this page here where you can watch this webinar. It's about 57 minutes long, but it's worth every minute, okay? Because this is an affiliate program that you've never seen before, how they have this set up. It's just absolutely genius, okay? And right now, we're in phase 2 out of 3. And you can see right here, you can become a MAP backer today. We are currently in phase 2 of 3. The action takers who back the project in this phase will likely be some of our most successful and profitable members. Phase 2 MAP backer spots, we're at 530 people. And we still have another 23 days or so before this ends. All right, so 530 people have joined this already. And here you can, it talks about the rollout of MAP. Phase 1 was exclusive only to subscribers of Omar, Melinda Martin, and John Thornhill. It was a unique chance to become foundational backers and gain lifetime platinum access to all the gems MAP will offer. Now we're right here in phase 2, and it says currently underway. Our cherished MAP backers now have access to the MAP members area. Backers can set up their payment preferences, access their MAP referral link, and what's more exciting, be able to refer more backers. This phase is the final call to be a backer and seize lifetime access for a single low price while enjoying 75% commissions and basking in the glow of all the free traffic we're ushering in, which I'm going to go over all this in a minute. And then phase 3, which is set to roll out in early April, is when the curtains lift for the public launch. Free entry funnels and payment plans activate, and whether you're on the free, silver, gold, or platinum levels, MAP will be operating at full throttle, empowering your affiliate marketing journey like never before. All right, and this is just, it's really awesome. I'm not going to go over everything in this video because I want you to click on that link or go to joinruss.com and watch this video, okay? Because it's super important to see, and they explain it way better than I can, how powerful this system is going to be. All right, and then we have different updates you can see here that they've done, and there's videos over here you can watch. There's a huge community of people. These are all the people that have joined this. All right, and there's some big names on this list, folks. Big, big, big names. But here I am right here. And then we have testimonials from some people who are already making money on here. All right, just got my first sale, my first MAP sale. Made a sale yesterday with the traffic you guys are sending. Thank you, thank you. It just goes on and on and on. All right, this person's earned $2,200 already. Exactly 40 hours and 14 minutes in, this person's earned almost $15,000. All right, so click on that link. Come watch this video. Check it out. I'm going to show you right here. I joined here. This is what I got. This is my receipt from when I joined. And it says you're now a founding member of the Master Affiliate Profit System. We welcome you to the AIM family, and we look forward to helping you succeed. All right, I'm going to show you inside my back office quickly. I'm not going to show you everything because there's still some things that aren't set up yet because we're still in phase 2 out of phase 3 phases, okay? But you can see here, this is your MAP link, and I'm not going to show you what mine is, but this is what your link is, and you only have to promote one link with this. And there's so many different ways that you can earn. I'm going to show you here in a minute. But it says, congratulations, you are one of our valued MAP backers and a platinum member. Over here, you're going to see you can buy clicks. There's going to be live training, list building, email marketing, traffic training, video marketing, creating bonuses, social media, ad marketing, banners and graphics, blogging, there's Facebook group. And over here we have, I mean, there's all kinds of things you can do with this, okay? Now you can see I don't have any commissions because I literally just joined this about just a couple hours ago. So I've been putting everything together in the back office here. I have sent this out to one of my lists, and you can see that I've gotten 21 clicks and 7 visits. And I know that this will convert and I will be making commissions with this, okay? So what you get when you join, I'm going to tell you what you get when you join me in this company, all right? You're going to get all these exclusive Master Affiliate Profits bonuses. So you're going to get 180 fresh profit pulling email swipes that are ready to use. You're going to get 33 ways to get more clicks and subscribers. You're going to get a partner upgrade at My Traffic Partners for 6 months. All right, this is a $120 value right here by itself. This is a $20 a month program. All right, so you get traffic in return for other members showing you their display ads via the site and via our ad widgets. This is what one of the ad widgets looks like. You're going to get free access to this for 6 months. And we're going to give you 10 ads, okay? You can also earn 50% commissions. We're going to give you behind the magic curtain emails. So this is the ultimate solution for anyone promoting, making money online, or affiliate marketing offers. 30 freshly crafted emails. You're going to get the super squeeze page pack. So you get 20 done for you squeeze pages, 1 bridge page, bonus squeeze page to promote the offer, and it goes on and on, all right? You're also, when you join me in MAP today, you're going to get to give away these same bonuses to all of your MAP customers, all right? This is a $566 value. So you get to copy this exact page here. You get to customize your own, with your own info and your own MAP links. So this will be your link. This will be your email. Okay? You're going to get to put your picture on here and share this with everybody who joins you, because all of these bonuses are going to help you to promote MAP. So these are the benefits of becoming the MAP backer. And again, I don't want to go into everything because I want you to come and check out this video. It's awesome. You're going to just be blown away by the things that they are creating with this system. All right, so you get an enclosed affiliate ecosystem. You're only ever going to have to promote one more link moving forward. All right, and you're going to make sales in many different ways, which I'm going to show you here quickly in a minute. You're going to earn while you learn. The company is going to send you free traffic for you, okay? You're going to earn 75% commissions. Your leads are hard-coded to you for life. All right, and they got all kinds of plans within here to be selling ClickBank products, JVZoo products, Warrior Plus products. There's all kinds of awesome stuff in this. It says this means MAP markets your leads for life and you make the sales. And this is only for platinum members who get in now. All right, you get to build your own email list and keep all the leads. All right, the company does not get your leads. Free traffic for the platinum members. There's a 2-tier commissions on your referral sales, and we have live trainings. All right. So you get all these bonuses. You're going to get this bonus page you can share. You're going to be able to put in your email here, your photo. All of these links here are going to go to the webinar page, and this will help you get people to sign up underneath you. All right. This is an incentive for people to sign up underneath you. So one more thing I want to show you. When you click on Become a Backer, you're going to be taken over here, and this is what you're going to see. All right, so it says, as a MAP backer, you will have the first mover's advantage. You will be a platinum member with no monthly fees. You will receive instant access and be able to start promoting straight away. Once this goes into effect, folks, there is a free membership here, but then these are all going to be monthly. And you can pay for yearly memberships, but you're going to have to pay either monthly for the rest of the time you're part of this, or yearly for the rest of the time you're part of this. Right now, you can become a platinum for a one-time low payment and get all these benefits, okay? But this is what you're going to get access to. You're going to get tools and training. All right, so affiliate tools and training. All members receive numerous modules of affiliate tools and training to start making money with MAP, including traffic, email marketing, blogging, banners and media, video marketing, ads, social media, and bonuses. Everyone gets this. Then we have the beginner income lessons. This is from silver through platinum. Then we have income growth lessons. This is gold and platinum. And then we have super income classes. This is just for platinum. Now, it doesn't matter if you already earn 6 or 7 figures online. You're going to learn stuff in this training. You're going to be able to make money or be able to use what you learned in this training to promote this to get sales, okay? And make even more money. We have live training. So live discovery training. This is for everybody. We have a discovery vault. All live discovery sessions will be recorded and added to the private MAP discovery vault. This is through silver through platinum. We have a live backstage pass. We have an all access pass. All right, when you become platinum. Now this is the cool part. The commissions. You're going to get this when you join as a platinum MAP backer right now, this upsell. But once this goes live and you join as a free member, silver, gold, or platinum, you're going to have a one-time upsell, all right? This is going to be a traffic upsell, and I believe it's $97. So you're going to get 100% commissions on anybody who signs up under you and gets the upsell. Now, the commissions on the different levels here, you can see, as a free member, you're still going to earn commissions, 25%. 40% for silver, 50% for gold, 75% for platinum memberships. Then you have commissions on all the upgrades. As a platinum, you're going to get 50% on all the different upgrades. And these are things that they're going to be adding in the future and whatnot, okay? If you join today, you're getting everything. There's also going to be traffic here that they're going to sell to people. You earn 10%. Everybody that comes in underneath you and purchases traffic, you're going to get 10% of that sale. We have third-party commissions, okay? So this is for Aweber and other different programs in the back. You'll be able to put in your affiliate link, and if somebody purchases that underneath you, you're going to get commissions. Then also, as a platinum member, we get 2-tier commissions where you can earn 25% of everything that all of your referrals make, all right? We also have additional high-value products. So you get the rapid digital assets, the commission experts, my unfair advantage. I love this convert tool software, our lead funnel creation software that enables you to use our library of over 200 lead magnets to build your subscriber list and create bonus pages that make sales for you. And then we have a VIP strategy call that you get. And this is really, really awesome right here. Done for you traffic for life. All right, as a platinum MAP backer right now, when you come in and join today, you are going to get put into their super rotator where they drive thousands and thousands and thousands of clicks to this rotator each month. Now, I just joined this and I've already had clicks from the rotator. All right, and you can see when I showed you the testimonials, people are getting sales from the traffic that they're driving. So what you want to do, I'm going to be making more videos on this as time goes on. What you want to do is you want to go to joinruss.com, watch this video, the webinar that they do, click on Become a Backer. You're going to see my name down here. All right, you're going to enter your full name and a valid email address and click Next Step. Once I know that you join this, I'm going to email you all of your bonuses. All right, and I'll help you set up your page that looks just like this, that you can give out to the people that join underneath you. All right, these are really good. I mean, these are really high quality bonuses, okay? This is all stuff that you can use to help promote MAP. And this is on top of all the free traffic you're going to be getting from the MAP company, okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comments section below or reach out to me on Facebook. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You know, this is going to be something that's huge. This is going to be a long-term project that they're doing. And this is great for people who don't want to build teams or you're not interested in multi-level marketing. This is something you can come in, even if you've never done affiliate marketing before. It's a program for everybody, whether you're brand new or you're a seasoned vet like myself. Anybody can profit from this. It's going to be a really, really, really awesome, profitable system. Okay. So if you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. And I also appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. Again, if you have any questions about any of this, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you out and help you get started with your map journey. So that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.